Hey folks, welcome back to Cats and Kilos. Now, this simple test is actually a little trickier than what you might expect. So if you've already figured out the answer by looking at the thumbnail, you may or may not be correct. Try to do this in the 2 minutes that we've allocated. There will be a timer, but feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Do the best you can. Good luck. Okay, your time is up, but feel free to go back and pause if you do want more time before seeing the answer and the explanation. Was this your answer? Did you use a division sign, an addition sign, and a multiplication sign in that order as your answer? If you did, congratulations, you did use 3 out of these 4 symbols to solve the equation, and it does seem to work when you solve it from left to right as we see here. Unfortunately, though, that's not the correct answer. That's right, it was that pesky order of operations. Remember that from back in school? PEMDAS. It's the order that we have to perform the different procedures to solve a mathematical equation. And so we have to first consider parentheses, and then exponents, and then multiplication, division, and then we can do the addition, subtraction. And you can remember this using the mnemonic, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. For what? I don't know. I should mention, if you have not heard of PEMDAS, maybe you went to a country that uses something else, like BEDMAS, in which they would use brackets instead of parentheses, or BODMAS, in which they would use order instead of exponents. But it's the same idea. So how does this order of operations create a problem with the previous answer that we had considered? We said that if you had given an answer of the division first, and then the addition, and then the multiplication as a way to solve this problem, that we said it was incorrect. Why would that be the case? Well, with the order of operations, we said that we would need to do the division and multiplication before the addition. If we did that, we would then solve with the 2 divided by 1, giving us 2, and the 6 multiplied by 6, giving us 36, and then we would end up adding those two together, 36 plus 2, which would be 38, which is clearly not 48, so that is incorrect. So how do we solve this if we have to use the order of operations and 3 of those symbols in order to get that correct answer of 48? What order should they be in? As it turns out, we can't. There's no order that we can put those in that would make this a correct statement. So does that mean that this does not have an answer? No, it has a definite answer. Let's look at what the question is. The puzzle said, can you make this correct, that equation, using 3 of these 4 symbols? And since you can't, the answer is no. Simply no. The answer to this is no. So that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please subscribe to our channel. We're going to have a lot more content coming up in a variety of different areas that I'm sure you'll enjoy. So thank you for watching and have a great day.